So we're back and we're gonna see what happened with our feeding. How did they eat our stuff? Oh my! Oh.
We're not surprised.
I personally am a little bit taken away. I'll tell you that. I think that we get out of here. Okay, so we have
Loosen it.
okay, some dead bees accidentally stayed here. The patty is almost completely gone.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No. We only used about... Ooh, you know what? Maybe that wasn't the best idea and where to put it though, huh?
Yeah, I think we are going to have a bit of an accident here. Okay, actually not. Put it on the top of that thing. Yeah, but that's where it's supposed to be.
No problem. Okay, now give me the smoker and you're gonna start.
Yeah, we need an oil refiner here.
Here.
No, it's fine. It just needs puffs. That's all it needs.
Okay.
Oh yeah, now we're ready to go. Okay.
I think if we see frames without much going on, that we leave them in.
Yeah, I think so too. Okay.
Propolis, huh? Right here. Right here. Corner.
Yeah, I don't see. Oh, bees. Good.
That's not a bad thing.
Again, empty, no food. Which is not. Actually, there is food now. There is food. Great.
We gave them food.
We're saving them. I think that we're actually saving them right here with the food. Might be not the best food, but you know.
This frame is loose. There's brood here. Not a lot, but there's brood.
And there also looks like there is liquid here. More food. That is desirable concerning the time of the year. This one appears empty. Or at least not really of my interest here. And
We don't need to do anything with that one.
do it like this. This, that.
Yeah, I know. There's all kinds of
options.
options.
More liquid over here. This is good. This means that we, let's say, caught it in time.
There's nothing on this frame.
This means that we caught it in time. I think.
What do you think of this? Was that a drone cell?
Yeah,
That's just the drone came out of?
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
I also think that we need to continue feeding
Well, we
too.
definitely need to continue feeding. No, there's nothing on there, Wolf.
Yeah.
Do anything there.
Just loosen it a little bit.
Careful, this frame looks kind of wonky.
This is just empty. There's nothing here either.
Nothing in this one either.
Keep moving.
This is good. They built out more comb here. There's nobody there, but
Yeah.
they built out more comb.
Yeah, white comb. You see it's white? That means that they built it out.
That's fresh comb. Yep. This one also, I think this one had comb, and there's not much going on there.
There's nothing really going on here. I think that we need to feed a lot more. Like the
2-to-1 or 1-to-1?
I think the 2-to-1.
I gotta stoke this thing.
Open it up. Open it up. Just give it to me. I'm gonna. Do I have to teach you to even do that? And when the fire starts coming out of it. No, don't add more. And don't add more. It needs to just heat up what it's already in it.
Okay. Wait, aren't you going to put that back here?
Okay, maybe. You know.
I think I should put it back where it was. I don't want to manipulate too many frames right now if we don't have to.
Yeah, I think that you're correct.
We've already got it checkerboarded with comb and knot.
And it's not doing much. Well, it probably would have been doing.
Well, no, they built more comb,
They're
so
built more comb, but
it's not enough yet. But
yes.
But
well, I'm happy.
Working. What we're doing is working.
I'm at least.
Okay.
These ones are here.
No, leave them. They'll find their way back. Let's open up the. I think we should keep our inspection kind of short.
What the heck is this stuff? Propolis? Yeah, propolis.
Yes, propolis.
Holy.
Loads of it. It's okay. Ooh, here we go. A lot of bees.
Light smoking on my ear. There we go.
Okay, there you go. Go ahead. Hold this. It's loose.
I know.
Dead bee.
Yeah, pushing those are a little bit, pushable. If they're pushable, I push them. So that there's more space, because this one is kind of broke.
Spring?
Yeah. They're coming out of here. Go back. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here, people. Yeah. Boom, get out. Hold it. There we go. Oh. So many bees. Looks like they've got the propolis up again. That's good.
I'm seeing eggs.
I see more propolis. This is a good sign. Propolis equals more bees. Also more liquid, more fake honey, if you'd want to say so, because I don't think that they've...
Well, part of it's from the nectar flow, I would think.
I don't think so. I didn't see it last time. I'm going to just give a check out here. Oh, there's guys on the other side.
The other side, okay, good.
And there's eggs. There's a lot of eggs, actually. I think the queen is getting the cue. Look at the quantity of eggs here. You see the tiny ones?
Yep.
It's all covered in.
Good. And these are winter bees.
These are probably winter bees. These are high chance of these being winter bees.
Be careful. This frame's heavy. Stuff in here. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Our feeding is working.
We've got the feeding working is really good. We're getting our feeding back. We're getting our stuff is working, and this is good. This is perfect. Looking pretty good. Stop putting it back. Keep moving. Use this one.
Oh, this one's busted.
Yeah,
I got it. You want to put another band on it?
I don't know. More pollen, more propolis.
Let's add a band.
Oop. More stuff good stuff going on here. Looking better. Nothing really too much.
Okay, frame's loose.
Stuff going back here. Bees covering up.
Oh, that's a drone. I thought it was the queen.
I don't think that you're gonna find her. She's sneaky. She's really sneaky.
Yeah, we haven't seen her since what? July?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm not too surprised David Burns doesn't see his queens sometimes. And he is...
we got queen cells here. If they're open.
The cells aren't... This is an interesting wax...
Oh, who's this? Is that the queen?
No, it doesn't look like... Looks like just bees. Well, other than that, looking pretty good on this side here too. Bees are here. More looking even better over here. This means got no propolis and stuff. This is just awesome. Much more
Clean
stuff.
comb, look, the brood is hatched out of there recently.
Yes, and there's also liquid in there. There's food. That's good. Nothing over here. Just okay.
More new comb here.
There's more new comb, but no,
Not enough.
I don't think we're going to take it out.
No,
You're right. Okay. This one is nobody on here.
Flip the other side, looks like maybe a queen cell.
Nothing there.
Not a queen cell there?
Nah. Use this thing.
Fresh comb.
Fresh comb, still nothing too really, not really all that interesting.
Okay.
Let's start doing it.
Overall looks good.
Back.
Careful.
I'm gonna be pushing them back. You smoke. You smoke. I push them. I push them. Like that. Yeah. There. Open it up and just smoke.
Yeah, I need more.
I really don't think that you really need all that much more fuel.
No, not much. I need something. Almost there.
Now slowly. Well, there's still almost nobody here.
Brush those.
Heating this stuff up again.
I'm not too happy about what I just did, but... Okay. Okay, Wolf.
Yeah.
Let's go mix up food. We'll leave the rest of the stuff for right now.
Yeah, I think so too. Well, we're gonna just pause right here. I would say we're gonna temporarily leave. We're gonna continue So we're back. I know to you it didn't seem like we were gone, but we were gone and we made some more food here for bees.
Get them out of there.
Where? Oh, here? Yeah, get out of here. That seems like a great thing to do right here. This one died, so. It doesn't, but it's kind of hard to get rid of it now. And it seems like they're...
Okay. I'm going to push this down a little bit. Put these... Okay.
I think they'll get at it. That's like putty, so... No, don't.
Let's do one.
Well, whatever, they'll get at it. If they want it. Well, so we gave them some more food right here. And as you saw, it looked better than last time. But no, not all of that
Need to
good.
keep feeding them.
Yeah. At least they're gone out of the box, so we got no more. Doesn't look like there's any more bees inside of here. Going to be stuck. So, like, subscribe, and write a comment of what you think about this. We like all comments, including ones which critique us, because critique may be helpful. Hopefully it's helpful. Well, bye.